Hey, good morning. Good morning. Today I managed to get 22 fresh Guinea Fowl legs, freshly laid. As you can see, these are feather from the underbelly of Guinea Fowl. So the eggs are fresh. I want to take the clutch and give them to a brooding chicken. Chicken is about to brood. As you can see, the eggs are mostly dark in color compared to the chicken eggs, and they are smaller too. Size of an egg is this. So they have 22 of them. You can compare this an egg, so I'll put them in a tray, 22, and right here in this tray, that's a chicken egg, and this here, this is a chicken egg. This is a Guinea Fowl egg. So the size of a Guinea Fowl egg is like, that's the size. The size of a chicken egg is bigger. Let's take this one. So this small egg is darker. It has a small like yolk size, and the shell is thicker, so the nutritional content is very few. But the price, as you compare the price, this is around 20 shillings, 20 Kenya shillings. This goes for 100 Kenya shillings. So the Guinea Fowl leg is 75% more expensive. 100 shilling Kenya shilling is like $1. This is what $1 US. This is worth 10 bob. This is a tenth of a US dollar in Kenya. So I'll be arranging the eggs. This is the. Let me put it. Yeah, this is the. Put it there. That's the chicken egg. So I'll be arranging them. Good. So there we are. We have 22 Guinea Fowl eggs. As I told you earlier. We have 22. All of these are Guinea Fowl eggs except that one. That one is the chicken egg. The rest are Guinea Fowl eggs.